So we'll go through today looking very briefly at the denim industry overall and look at the perspective of NGO, then go on to a brand, a manufacturer, and then a subject matter expert. Denim jeans, yeah. Perhaps this is one common language of fashion the world over. Yeah. And it's also in the number one in terms of the most comfortable outfits while working from home. So that makes me curious. How many of you are actually wearing a denim garment right at this moment? That brings us to denim in numbers, yeah? So when we look at the amount of denim products out there and garments out there, the information we see in front of us is it's a major contributor to the fashion industry today, jeans being the most popular denim product. And in terms of sheer number, it's billions of jeans every year, with most of the production currently taking place in Asia. When we look at it then, so while we talk about production taking place in Asia, the supply chain, of course, starts much earlier with raw material production, whether it be cotton or another one, and then it goes through the various stages or steps in the life cycle. On the left-hand side is a simplified set of steps that our denim garment goes through. But of course, in reality, many of you would know that it's a more complicated and thorough process with it not being a supply chain, but perhaps a supply web, which is utilizing different resources at different life cycle steps of raw material, water, energy, chemicals, also generating waste at several of these steps. And all of that, of course, also poses a challenge. So what we see here, courtesy of guests, is the countries through which denim raw material or denim production is associated with, and ones with, of course, the dark colors are those which have an issue with water scarcity. So predominantly Asia, of course, but we also see parts of North Africa, Australia, and South America in there. Why it is relevant is because, like other products, agricultural products and so on, denim also is a thirsty product. It requires a lot of water. As we go further, we'll have some more insights into this, and we'll also hear some stories on how brands, manufacturers, and experts are supporting in making sure that the process is water efficient.